Have you ever wondered how potato chips are made in the factory? Well, today we're going to find out. Are you ready? Let's go. Step 1. Washing and peeling the potatoes. The journey of potato chips starts with the humble potato. Before they get sliced into those crispy thin pieces, they need to be thoroughly washed and peeled. This step ensures that the potatoes are free from any dirt or imperfections that could affect the final product. The potatoes are then sorted by size and shape, ensuring that only the perfect potatoes move on to the next stage. Step 2. Slicing the potatoes. Once the potatoes are prepped, it's time to slice them into the iconic shape we all know and love. These industrial slicers are designed to slice the potatoes very thinly and consistently, which is crucial for achieving that satisfying crunch. The thickness of the slices is carefully controlled to ensure they cook evenly and don't become soggy. The sliced potatoes are then washed again to remove any excess starch and ensure optimal frying later on. Step 3. Blanching the potato slices. Now it's time to blanch, which simply means to partially boil the sliced potatoes. This helps to set the color and texture of the chips and also reduces the amount of time they'll need to fry later on. The blanched potato slices are then drained and ready for the next step. Step 4. Drying the potato slices. After blanching, the potato slices need to be dried to remove any excess moisture. This ensures that the chips become crispy and not soggy. There are special drying machines that use hot air to gently remove moisture without compromising the structure of the slices. Once the slices are dry, they're ready to be fried. Step 5. Frying the chips. Frying is what gives potato chips their golden color and crispy texture. The slices are typically fried in neutral oil like sunflower or canola oil at a high temperature. This cooks the inside of the chips while also creating that irresistible crunch. To ensure even cooking, the oil temperature is carefully monitored and the chips are often fried in batches. Once they reach that perfect golden huedness, they're removed from the oil and drained. Step 6. Seasoning the chips. Now comes the fun part, adding the seasoning. While the chips are still warm, they're tossed with a generous amount of salt, but sometimes also other seasonings or flavors depending on the type of chip being produced. The hot chips help the seasoning to stick, ensuring that every bite is flavorful. Step 7. Packaging the chips. The final step is packaging. The freshly seasoned chips are carefully packaged to maintain their freshness and crispiness. They are usually packaged in airtight bags or containers to prevent them from becoming soggy and to keep them tasting delicious. And that's how it's done. From humble spud to crispy snack, each step in the process is crucial in producing the perfect bag of potato chips. So next time you enjoy a bag of chips, remember the journey it took to get there. If you like this video, please leave a comment below. See you in the next video.